Tamanna, if you could please tell us about the book that you have written.
Actually, I have written two books.
Mhm.
I have written two books. Teddy Stories and I'm Tamanna. I'm Tamanna is my autobiography. And Teddy Stories is to do with small for small kids, for school going kids. Actually, I am writing the third book as well, also with the help of Aditi. And this I let's hope for the best that this book should come out as soon as possible.
I would like to intervene here that the beauty about Tamanna's life, Tapas, and everybody who's watching the show is that she only remembers the good things. Her mind is so positive, and if ever I show the smallest sign of fatigue or worry, she says to me, "Mom, look at me. If I can be happy, you should be happy." The second thing that I want to say here today is it's not just me who is responsible for what Tamanna is today. It is the sacrifice of her father, who's an army general, and he's gone station to station and sacrificing family life, and how my son, the difference between Vikram and Tamanna is only 2 years and 9 months. But he stood up with me in every situation, even to the extent that as a teacher, when I would check the copies, he would be singing, lullaby to Tamanna in the pram. And it was such a moment that used to make me cry. I'm holding the pen and checking the copies, and Vikram is really moving the pram up and down at the age of 3 or 4. This sacrifice is exemplary for all brothers of sisters like Tamanna. I think I may have suffered whatever, but I'm matured enough to be able to cope up with it. But for him, at that age, to go through so much is absolutely divine. I Am Tamanna must be read by everybody. She would never like to speak about her growing up agonies, because that's what she is made up of. But we know, and you know, Tapas, the kind of childhood, teenage time, and now what you go through. You as well look smart and very, very handsome, and while you stand in the courts, I'm sure you beat all the advocates. As much as Tamanna, she can only think of the nice journey, never do the past thoughts ever come to her. Congratulations to you and Tamanna.
Thank you, ma'am. The beauty about Chona family, I was telling to someone the other day, is the fact that this family has the love of Rakhi. It has the sacrifice of the Independence Day and the Republic Day. It has the devotion of Christmas. It has the light of Diwali, and of course the colors of Holi. That is the beauty of the Chona family. If someone asks me, and I was telling to that person, and that person was asking me as to, how do you relate it to the festivals? And I can of course say, a brother like Vikram, a father who is the
Yes, sure.
general, ma'am, a principal, and you know, how can we forget our sweet little friend Pratna, who must have had a lot of stories with Tamanna, and someday we will be talking to Pratna and Tamanna in the coming times, where we'll be delving deeper into this sweet relationship. Ma'am, as a parent, as an educationalist, as a social change maker, what would be your message to the nation in order to make it more inclusive, accessible, and diverse for all?
I am with you when you said, in order to make Viksit Bharat, in order to realize the dream of our Prime Minister, we have to understand that we all belong to different kind of births that we have taken, and this birth, where you have some special issues, is not in your hands. First is acceptance by the family. Second is acceptance by the institutions where these kids have to study, and then the society, which is full of myths. They don't understand that humanity is one, and if you are differently enabled, that does not make you that you've committed some sins in the past birth or that you are cursed, but this is to teach the rest of the humanity, be one, learn from them. And what to learn from them is honesty, truthfulness, and of course the joys that I have sitting on my left and my right. Come on, my countrymen, let us come together as one and not as separate individuals, because for everyone the heart beats, for everyone there is love to give and receive, and for everyone there is this creation of God which must be equally shared with the same kind of emotions and feelings as those who may be different. To be differently able is not to be sinful. To be differently able is to make better persons out of you. I am a better person because I have given birth to Tamanna. I am a better person because I work in my NGO called Tamanna, where I see children, young boys, young girls who are so happy, loving, but they can't make it on their own. So they need you, they need me, they need the society. So let us make it a Viksit Bharat, holding hands with one another, though different from each other.